How to automatically replace ellipsis using OOONA Tools. The use of the ellipsis symbol is not supported in some older subtitle file formats, such as SCC, EBU-STL, PAC, or 890, so you need to use 3 regular full stops instead. While some clients like Netflix request using the ellipsis symbol in the newer subtitle file formats. Depending on your client's needs, you can set your project to auto-replace ellipsis with 3 full stops, or vice versa. Open the project settings and scroll down in the General tab until you see the Replace Ellipsis with 3 dots option. Open the drop-down menu and select the option that matches your client's specs. Don't replace? Replace 3 dots with ellipsis, or replace ellipsis with 3 dots, and click Apply. This will automatically replace ellipsis or 3 dots in your project.